You've added your attachments, so you've got all your work in. The last thing to do is a self-evaluation. So you've got the instructions here. Indicator 4.1 is the required indicator. And if you notice under evaluation method, there is a rubric built into TaskStream for that. So for this indicator only, I've added the indicator. All you have to do is to enter the level you've achieved here in italics. So you would say you are at emerging or you're at applying. You don't have to add the text of any of this because it's already built into TaskStream. And then you go down here and in 1 to 2 paragraphs, you justify why you think you are at, let's say, applying in terms of the rubric of the AQTS levels. And notice this part pointing your viewer to specific elements that support your growth. So if you think that one element of your project, maybe the lesson plan tables you created, shows your growth, and maybe it's week 2 of your lesson plans, you say that here. Point them, don't require them to look through everything to see your growth on indicator 4.1. Point them to something specific. Almost done. Similarly, all of you had a second indicator. So just like I did on this first one, indicator 4.1, you say what indicator is and the text of it. Then you come down here, tell me which level you achieved, maybe emerging, and in this case, you do need to put the bullets in like it says there and insert the level descriptor so that I and the reviewers don't go have to hunting the AQTS down. Then just like you did in the one before, justify your self-evaluation and point your reviewer to the specific portion of the project that they need to see if they want to see your growth on that second indicator. Then do the same thing if you have a third indicator. Some of you do, some of you don't. If you have a third indicator, add it so that it's the number and the actual statement of the indicator. Then the level and its descriptor, the level, there we go, level, and its descriptor, copy and paste that in there. And then the self-evaluation, like before, 1 to 2 paragraphs, why you think you achieved that level and the specific project elements that reviewers would need to do to see your growth. And then this annoying thing up here, don't forget to submit, when you have it all done and you've checked it and you've checked with the TaskStream spell check feature, which is in there somewhere. I've forgotten exactly where it is. There is a spell check feature. You've gone through there, you've checked everything, you've checked the web links and you make sure they work, and you've checked the PDFs, you make sure they work.